Are concrete walls giving you a hard time? I am James, your drilling companion and drilling nerd. Today we are going to conquer those walls with ease and confidence. Let's get started. Step 1, selecting your drilling champion. First, we need the right tool for the job. Forget about regular drills. For concrete, we need a hammer drill. This powerhouse packs a punch literally, hammering away at the concrete while it drills. Don't forget its secret weapon, a carbide tipped bit. This bad boy is specifically designed to chew through tough materials like concrete with ease. Step 2, suiting up for safety. Safety first, always. Before we start drilling, it's time to suit up in our protective gear. Safety goggles, air protection, and a dust mask are your essential companions. Safety warning. Concrete dust and drilling noise are no joke. They can irritate your eyes, ears, and lungs. Don't underestimate their power. Suit up and protect yourself. Step 3, marking your territory. Now, let's get tactical. Choose your drilling location and mark it clearly. Here's a handy trick. Place a small piece of tape on the mark to prevent your drill bit from slipping at the beginning. Step 4, patience is power. Alright, warriors, it's drilling time. But remember, this is not a race. Start slow and focus on precision. Pushing too hard can damage both the drill bit and the concrete. Let the hammer drill do the work. Step 5, keeping your cool. Just like any athlete pushing their limits, your drill bit can get hot during a standing drilling. If that happens, pause for a moment and cool it down with some water. This will extend the life of your drill bit and keep it performing at its peak. Step 6, drilling for victory. We are almost done. Just make sure you dig a hole deep enough for the wall plug you will use. If the hole is too shallow, it would not hold well, and your mounted object might fall. Not what we want. Step 7, cleaning up the area. After finishing with the concrete, now it's time to tidy up the area. Use a can of compressed air to remove any dust or dirt from the hole. A clean hole makes sure that whatever you are mounting fits secure. You have successfully timed the concrete beast and emerged victorious. If this guide helped you on your drilling quest, do be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more drilling wisdom.